हाँ, तो आपको वेदर के बारे में पढ़ा रहा था। कहते हैं वेदर इज नॉट स्टैटिक इंस्टीड इट कीप्स चेंजिंग फ्रॉम आवर टू आवर एंड फ्रॉम डे टू डे। वेदर कैन डिफाइन एज एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशन एट द गिवन प्लेस एंड एट द गिवन टाइम। एक निश्चित समय, एक निश्चित क्षेत्र में निश्चित समय में पाई जाने वाली वायुमंडलीय दशा जो एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशन होती है उसको हम वेदर कहते हैं। द वेदर इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम क्लाइमेट। आप कहते हैं वेदर और क्लाइमेट में अंतर है। वेदर आपका सराउंडेड बाई एयर इन प्लेस ऑफ नियरेस्ट रीजन, बट क्लाइमेट होल कंट्री। कहते हैं द वेदर इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम क्लाइमेट। द क्लाइमेट कैन बी डिफाइंड एज द सम ऑफ द वेदर। अब देखिए सम ऑफ द वेदर कंडीशन ऑफ द लार्ज एरिया ओवर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड यूजली मोर देन 30 years। अब देखिए पूरे देश लॉन्ग एरिया, पूरा कंट्री, आवर कंट्री इज ए ग्रेट कंट्री एंड लॉन्ग एंड वाइड, नॉर्थ टू साउथ, ईस्ट टू वेस्ट। टोटल कंडीशन ऑफ द वेदर इन अबाउट 30 years, which are found in 30 years, it's called average condition of weather, it's called climate। तो देखिए यहाँ पर देते हैं the climate can be defined as the sum of the weather condition in large area over a long period, usually more than 30 years. Thus climate is the average weather as well as variation and extreme characteristics of weather of an area. The basic elements of both weather and climate are same: temperature, humidity, precipitation, cloudiness, miscellaneous pressure, and winds are the most important elements of the weather and climate। तो कहते हैं प्रेशर एंड विंड्स आर मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट। हवाओं का चलना और उनका ताप इन क्लाइमेट और वेदर के लिए बहुत आवश्यक है। एलिमेंट्स हैं, तत्व हैं। The division of the world is made into number of climate region. We will learn the type of climate India has and the region for it being so। Climate of India। The climate of India is described as monsoon type। Monsoon is derived from an Arabic word mausim। The monsoon refers to the seasonal reversal in the wind direction through the air। Such a type of climate is found mainly in the South and the Southeast Asia. Although there is an overall unity and community in the general pattern, perceptible regional variation are found in climatic conditions within the country. The temperature touches at the high at 50 degrees Celsius, the western desert during the summer season, and drops down the low at minus 40 degrees, 45 degrees Celsius in Leh during the winter season. In the same way, variations are noticeable in the type of precipitation as well as in its amount। Precipitation क्या? What is the precipitation? There are variations in the form and type of precipitation as well as in its amount and seasonal distribution। तो क्या है seasonal distribution? Precipitation is mostly in the form of snowfall in the upper parts of the Himalaya, yet it rains over the rest of the country. The annual precipitation varies from over 400 cm in Meghalaya to less than 10 cm Ladakh and western Rajasthan. Most part of the country receive rainfall from June to September. However, some parts like the Tamil Nadu coast gets a large portion of its rain during the month of October and November. Seasonal contrasts in the coastal area generally less contrast in the temperature condition are experienced. Seasonal contrasts are experienced more in the interior of the country. There is decrease the rainfall from east to west in the North Plains. These variations have given rise to variety in lives of people in terms of following as the food they eat, the clothes they wear, and kind of houses they live in. Climate controls factors, latitude and longitude, altitude, pressure and winds, distance from sea, ocean currents, relief feature, ये आपके क्लाइमेट को प्रभावित करते हैं। अब इनके बारे में कल पढ़ाएंगे। थैंक्स।